Okay, I'm going to show you something very basic but really important, because if you forget to turn this to the right setting, you'll end up wasting all of your data. So if you have a cell phone and it's on like a data plan or something, and you're at home or at a place that has like Wi-Fi available, you want to use Wi-Fi instead of data, so that you save your data. If you have a limit or something, like if you have a set amount that you can use per month, you don't want to use it all if you're in a place where you can use Wi-Fi. So I'm going to show you how to set up so that you use Wi-Fi instead of data. So scroll down from the top, and then up top you'll see something that says internet or maybe Wi-Fi or something. You want to select that, and then you get a screen that looks something like this, depending on your operating system. And you're going to have a choice between mobile data and Wi-Fi. As you can see, the mobile data is off. To turn that on, you would just toggle the switch, and then the Wi-Fi is on. To turn it off, you would toggle the switch. But so that you use Wi-Fi data when you're at home or in a place where Wi-Fi is available, you want to make sure to turn the Wi-Fi on and turn the data off. And that way you won't use up all your data, because that can that can be an issue sometimes. And that's it. And that's how you set up your phone to utilize Wi-Fi instead of mobile data.